Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video I have a concealer review video, or let's just say a first impression. By the way, I'm in a different location because the sun is shining, and I thought, you know what, for this video I'm gonna use natural lighting. Also, what I'm gonna do like an all-day wear test regarding this concealer. This concealer has been out for quite a while now, and I have not tried it at all. And did I tell you guys which concealer I'm reviewing? I'm sure you guys have guessed it by the title or by the thumbnail. And it is from Giorgio Armani, and it's the Armani Luminous Silk Concealer, which is just in here. Guys, I'm a huge fan of Armani makeup, and specifically the Luminous Silk foundation is my holy grail foundation. This is the only foundation I use on a daily basis, to be honest. And also the concealer is just amazing. And this is their, did I say concealer? The foundation is absolutely amazing, and this is the concealer, which I have not tried. On the foundation I'm on a shade 3.5, and the concealer is in the shade number 3. So hopefully this is the perfect shade for me, or should be, basically, because I did color match myself. And do you know what, without any further rambling, let's just get into it. And hope you guys all will find this video all informative and interesting. I know that loads of you guys like my concealer review videos. I do like to use concealers. I like to wear concealers on work or on filming, and I feel like just concealer is there to enhance the skin a little bit. Now, I don't want to make it too obvious of makeup. I like a nice men's natural makeup look, so I don't go heavy with the concealers. I use very high light hands on concealer and on foundation, so let's just see how this will perform. And again, I've already seen the packaging and stuff. It looks amazing. Like the foundation, the concealer is like a small miniature format of this, which is so cute. And as I said, I'm on shade number 3. And in terms of my under eyes, I don't have the world's like bad under eye circles or dark circles. Now I'm literally wearing nothing on my skin. Can you guys see? There's nothing on my skin except for moisturizer, so I'm not even wearing foundation. You guys can see that. And nothing underneath my eyes. You guys can see I'm using my viewfinder over there. I adjusted my brows, and that's it. So let's just open this. It comes in a nice box. You guys can see nice Armani boxes as it comes. So I'm gonna make this video very casual, very like chit-chatty, so hope you guys don't mind that, because I'm in a chatty mood and the sun is shining. As I said, you guys makes me very happy when the sun shines. So let me just open this, and this is how it looks like a nice doe foot applicator. Can you guys see? The doe foot looks very nice and big. Let me just put this in here. Can you guys see that? Nice and big like applicator on the top, which is very nice. There we go. Focus. Yes. Has the nice Armani logo in here as well. And I just love it. So just go like this with my eyes, and there's no smell. Absolutely no smell of this. And I got my mirror in here. Look at this mirror, how cute this is. I just got this recently, and it's from Burberry. It's this nice tortoise shell, nice handy mirror, which is very nice. So I'm gonna use that, and without any more things, let's just go into it, because I'm really curious how this will perform. And again, no smell, just slight make-heavy smell. And let's just put 1 dot. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. 3 dots in here. And I'm just gonna use one side because I'm really curious how this will perform. So I really love the noise of this. Oh, very satisfying. Anyways, so I'm gonna go with my, I should have brought my beauty blender, but anyways, I'm gonna go with my fingers and just pat it under my eyes. And oh god, can you guys see that? It's a bit light, not gonna lie. The color is a bit light. It blends very quickly actually. You guys can see how quickly it got blended, but What do you think? Is the color but too light on my skin? Why is that I always get the wrong concealer shades? Or maybe it's supposed to be light because you want to brighten the under eyes. But sometimes I like to get the same kind of color as the foundation to kind of make it more like natural, so it blends with my skin tone rather than brightening up the under eyes. There we go, guys. So this is one side done. Now this went on very quickly and it blended out very quickly as well. By looking far, it has covered the dark circle. I feel like there is still some circles that's coming out. Maybe I didn't use enough. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go very, very light-handed because I feel like if I go a lot, the color will be literally too much. So I'm gonna go a very, very small amount. You guys can see that in there and blend in literally the corners in here. I'm gonna blend in this part. Now I like to go around my brows as well, in here and even in the corner of the eye like that, to really brighten the area. And looking at the viewfinder, my under eyes are nice and bright. Wow, they're nice and bright. And the formula is not very heavy. It's more in the light version. Now, I also tried the Power Fabric Concealer from Giorgio Armani, which is more on the heavier side, like the foundation. Whereas the Luminous Silk is more in the natural buildable coverage situation, which is really up my street. And yeah, I must say this side is definitely more brightened up than this side, obviously. Maybe it's the concealer, maybe the shade is a bit lighter, or maybe just the effect of the concealer, or maybe I'm not used to this kind of bright concealer under my eyes. But can you guys see? Like, it does look like makeup in here, and on this side it's more like natural. You guys might be thinking I don't need any concealer in here, but yes, I know, but sometimes I like to wear concealers. Yeah, I must say I really like it so far. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly do this eye off camera or maybe on camera, I don't know. I'm gonna just maybe fast forward it. I need to use my mirror because I can't use the viewfinder. So maybe 1, 2, 3, or maybe a bit more in here. What do you think? And let's just give this concealer another go. Alright guys, so literally something crazy happened. My camera cut off, and then once my camera cut off, the light changed, and then I had to take a very important phone call. So what I did this eye off camera, and by looking at the viewfinder, it looks actually a bit crazy, and I feel like my shade is a bit light, but don't you worry. Back here in my room, and I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just literally blend in the edges like that, and also blend in this area as well, so it's nice and blended. The concealer is definitely a little bit lighter, or also a bit brighter. It has this very nice kind of brightening effect underneath the eyes. So I'm just gonna blend in the edges with my skin, and again, I'm not wearing any foundation because I feel like I really don't need it today, and I don't want to. And my skin is in very good condition, so I really don't want to wear concealer. So concealer, foundation, gosh, I'm really mixing these words together. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set in the concealer very lightly. Normally I don't really want to set it, but I feel like I just need to give it a fair shot. So I'm gonna set it with my Studio Fix powder, pressed powder from MAC, in a shade medium, with my Real Techniques concealer brush, and just very light-handed gonna go onto my under eyes. There we go, very light and very simple. And there we have it. This is the concealer end result. Gosh, this video is such a mess, I must say. Oh god. Okay. So I'm just on the Armani website. The new multi-purpose concealer to cover and highlight for a luminous and hydrated glow that lasts all day. Aha. It highlights. I can definitely see the highlights in there. And what else does this concealer do? So It embodies the philosophy on enhancing natural beauty. It allows to conceal and highlight to perfect your complexion with a luminous finish. The formula is infused with caffeine, vitamin E, and glycerin. Okay. Improve the look of dark under eye circles, provides a long-lasting hydration. The concealer, fresh and lightweight texture, is easy to blend on any area of the face and provides all-day wear. The soft, plump applicator offers an easy application, while the range of 20 shades ensures a perfect glow, flawless complexion for all skin types and skin tones. And yeah, oh my god, it's got 20 shades, which is actually a lot. And of course, the plump applicator is really, really nice to use. So yeah, and it's got vitamin E, caffeine, and glycerin there for hydration, plumping, the dark under eye circles, providing long-lasting hydration as well. So yeah, this is the finished result. I must say my under eyes look nice and bright looking at it. And yeah, what do you think? What do you think? It definitely improved my dark, got rid of the dark under eye circles. I must say it's very, very brightening, very nice. But I don't really know if this is like a nice men's look or like a natural look, because I feel like it's a bit too bright for me, or maybe the color is a bit too bright, and I don't know, I really don't know what to say at the moment. Obviously I'm gonna do an all-day wear test. The time is around almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and this is how the concealer looks like. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check in a little bit. Hello everyone, so this is gonna be my final check-in, and I want to do another check-in, but I got busy filming and I had to do something else, and it was just a nightmare. So I'm gonna do a final check-in for this video. And regarding the concealer, I've been so busy today, I'm so sorry guys. So I'm gonna do a final check-in and see how this concealer would have lasted. I've been looking myself in the mirror, and I must say that the concealer is a bit too light for my skin tone or for my likings in general. I'm not a huge fan of this kind of brightening effect under my eyes, because for me personally, I feel like it's a bit too much or not too natural. Again, it's all personal preferences. Maybe this will grow on me, because I normally don't have this kind of brightening effect under my eyes. So maybe if I use it another day, I will get used to it and something like that. Or I've been using my other concealers, which are literally the same kind of skin tone as my face. So it was like basically blending into my skin, so that's why I did not really enjoy the color of this. In terms of the concealer, let me just zoom you guys a bit closer. Sorry about the redness on my nose, because I'm kind of breaking out. In terms of the concealer, oh god, so hard to zoom on this thing. It has creased a little bit. Let me show you guys. It has creased a little bit. Even on this eye, it has creased a little bit. I don't know why it's that. Can you guys see? It has creased a little bit. Maybe I did not use an eye cream under my eyes, or maybe I powdered my under eyes a lot with my MAC powder. Maybe the MAC powder doesn't go with the Armani concealer, something like that. Or maybe this concealer does not need a lot of powder. I don't really know. Or maybe the formula of the MAC and the Armani does not work well together. Something like that happened, apparently. And yeah, no, obviously whatever I do, if it's the world's best concealer in the world, or if it's the world's best powder in the world, I will always get creases under my eyes. I always have to fix it throughout my day. And sorry, my camera's quite heavy. I've been always doing that, and you guys can see in terms of the coverage, the concealer is absolutely amazing. I can't say anything regarding the coverage. The coverage is there. You guys can see how brightening and how awakening my under eyes look. But I'm not a fan of this kind of brightening effect. And I'm not saying that the concealer is bad or anything. And I'm not saying negative things regarding this, because obviously I kind of really want to like this concealer, because I like the foundation so much. I'm gonna obviously give this concealer another go, maybe on another day or so. I'm not gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna probably do like a part 2 of this video, film another like concealer review video or something like that, because I really want to like this concealer, and I feel like this concealer is quite nice if you get the right shade or something like that. But or maybe I need to use it in a specific way in order to get the right kind of effect of it. I don't really know, to be honest. So yeah, and here I have natural light. You guys can see that. So what do you think? What do you think of this concealer? Does it look alright, or are you not a fan either? Because I'm at the moment not sure what to say, but I'm not saying that the concealer is bad. The coverage is good, but I'm not a fan of the color, and I'm not a fan of the creasing. I feel like it shouldn't really crease, because I wanted to find something that should not crease under my eyes. But anyways, as I said, you guys, this concealer comes in 20 shades, which is quite a lot, so it gives me a perfect opportunity to go and find out the right shade for me. And it retails for it retails for $35.50, which is actually quite a lot of money if you ask me. Comes in a nice packaging like that, as I showed you guys, and this retails for $35.50, which is actually quite a lot. And you actually get a lot inside. You get 12 ml, which is a decent size, which is a quite big size actually, so this will last you a long time. So you get 12 ml for $35.50, and yeah, this, I'm gonna conclude this video in here. Hope you guys found this video all informative and liked it. Do let me know if you guys want me to do a part 2, or do let me know if you guys think that I've made a mistake or shouldn't really powder or something like that. As I said, you guys, I'm not a makeup artist. I dropped it. Fine. I'm gonna leave it in there. So hope you guys found this video all informative and enjoyed it. So if you did, then please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty videos like these. And also make sure you subscribe, because I'm gonna definitely film like a part 2 or something like that. And yeah, until then, hope you guys are staying safe, staying well, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.